Just as a quick little summary, I like to go through and separate the vocab from everything. I think one of the most important things about math, instead of needing to know how to do problems and everything, is actually understanding what the terms mean and using the terms like in common language. There's this thing called mathematical discourse that's like hugely accepted as a really good means of understanding mathematics, and so I want to utilize that a little bit. So let's just go through the basic vocabulary that was presented in the first section. We saw radical expression was one. Radical expression. And when I say like give a definition for a vocab word, it doesn't need to be crazy wordy or anything. Basically, it's anything that looks like this. I'll accept that as just a vocab, okay? What is this saying? This is saying there's a radical, there's a radicand, and there's an index, okay? That's what it means for something to be a radical expression. It has to have those, okay? The next term is index. I mentioned that. Okay. Index corresponds to the... I'm going to just actually rewrite this. It corresponds to the n here. This is the index. Okay. If I also have it in a different form, if I have a to the 3, or I'll just actually put p over q just so it's general. So if I have a to the p over q, our index, we said, was q. Okay, q is index. Okay, that's what an index is. The next one you might even guess, it's radicand. So radicand corresponds to whatever is inside the radical. We saw that if I have like the cubed root of x, x is the rad. Okay. Next one. This is the final one. It's just a different form. I have a rational power form as its own separate term. Okay. Rational power form corresponds to, let's say I have something in radical form, and I want to translate it into rational form. This is going to be a to the 1 over n. This is rational power form. If you want a wordy explanation, it's an expression that is raised to a rational power. So that sums up Chapter 11's first section. I will have a PDF available of the note format and the assessment that I use in class, available on the assignment document on Google Classroom. If you have any questions, I will be teaching this also in person on Wednesday. So look forward to seeing you.